Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the Google Pixel tablet, Google's first tablet in years that also works as smart display. Is it worth buying? Let's find out. The Google Pixel tablet has a 10.95-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixel and a 16 by 10 ratio. The display is sharp, bright and colorful, and it supports at 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. The bezels are even on all sides and there is a 8 megapixel camera on top edge for video calls. The Google Pixel tablet runs on Android 13 with some exclusive features powered by Tensor G chipset, Google's own processor that also powers the Pixel 7 phones. The tablet has 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage. There is no micro SD card slot. The performance is fast and smooth and you can enjoy features like Live Translate, Magic Eraser and Face Unblur on the tablet. The Google Pixel also comes with a charging speaker dock that turns into a smart display when you are not using it as a tablet. The dock has a strong magnet connection that holds the tablet securely in place and also charges it wirelessly. The dock has two speakers that deliver loud and clear sound, and it also works with Google Assistant to show your personalized information and control your smart home devices. The Google Pixel tablet has a 7020 mAh battery that can last up to 10 hours of mixed use on a single charge. It also supports 30-watt fast charging with the included USB Type-C charger. The battery life is decent but not great. You might need to charge it more often if you use it heavy or at high brightness level. So what do I think of the Google Pixel tablet? Well, I think it's a good tablet for people who want to enjoy Android 13 and Tensor G2 features on large screen and who also want to have a smart display in their home. It has a nice display, a fast processor and a useful dock. It's also not very cheap, not very portable and not very good at taking photos and videos. There are better tablets out there in the market in less price. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also let me know what you think of the Google Pixel tablet in comments below. See you in the next time. Bye bye.